Good morning, guys. Jason's eating some eggs on these buns over here. And I'm making some for myself too. Nadja is getting a tattoo to commemorate Mike. She's getting a white tiger. So that's gonna take all day. I'm gonna be watching Jason all day. And tidying up the place and finishing decorating the Christmas tree. But yeah, good news, everyone. Maverick from the Electric Unicycle Forum, a fellow commenter on the forum, a guy I've been interacting with for many years now, damn near 10, maybe closer to 8 or something like that. But in the point here is I've known him for quite a while, and yeah, he's been watching, and he decided to help me out and donate some money to my Ko-fi link in description if you want to help me out too. But yeah, I was kind of destitute, you know. Dion, he did kind of abandon his promise to take care of the food budget, and you know, I haven't set up any way to make money or anything because of that fact. Just being a good host and just thinking that he'd hold up his promise and go to Turkey with me and that, but that never happened. No shade on Dion. Like, I understand he had some stuff come up, but it really did kind of fuck me over and left me with basically zero krona. And but yeah, now I'm completely good. I breathed a giant sigh of relief when I saw that he'd sent me that. I mean, I'm talking to this guy via email. Yeah, it's just it gave me a great sense of relief, and I can just relax now. Because before I was thinking, what the fuck am I gonna do when it comes to food? I can't go to my Somali family. I can't move in here. I just stay here whenever Natcha asks me to babysit Jason, and I don't want to impose on them. I don't want to be like, hey, I don't have any food. I'm your responsibility now. Like, my whole point is I want to help these guys out. I don't want to actually drain their resources. So yeah, him sending me that money, just a giant sigh of relief. I mean, he did originally send them for me to get my elbow pads fixed, so I got my full protective gear, and I'll definitely make that a first priority with that money. But the rest of it I'm gonna spend on food, and if possible, hopefully some winter underwear as well. That would do wonders for me whenever I do have to stay outdoors. I'm still kind of debating whether or not to traverse Poland in the winter just to get out of the cold of Denmark. Like, I really don't want to stay here for another 3 months. I feel like I've already been here for far too long. But yeah, thank you so much, Maverick. You have really helped me out in a tough spot, and I am just so incredibly appreciative. Thank you so much, man. And to anyone else in the past who's helped me out with a few bucks here and there. I mean, I had another channel in the past. I mean, thank you guys as well. I know I don't have that money anymore, but I only actually used that money when I was kind of screwed. So thank you guys. But yeah, this channel is not about making money. It's not about, oh, donate, please donate. It's just I'm completely broke right now, and I much prefer donations to going out and pulling some crazy shit to make money out of survival instinct. But yeah, this gives me some breathing room to try and figure out what exactly I'm gonna do. I am still debating if it's gonna be too brutally cold to traverse Poland and Slovakia in the winter, but having to traverse that for a week or two compared to staying here for 3 months, I think it's preferable, even if it is colder there. I only have to actually survive it for a couple of weeks, and then I would be able to get into North Macedonia and eventually northern Greece, which is a lot more tolerable in the winter. And of course, my plan would be heading to the south of Greece, to Athens, to take a ferry to go to Crete. I got some business to take care of on Crete, some personal development type business. But yeah, I just figured I wanted to update you guys. Of course, I know Maverick, he doesn't want any kind of praise. I kind of had to convince him to let me shout him out here. But I just feel you guys should know I want to be as transparent as possible with this channel. We're watching Cars. I haven't seen this since I was a little kid. But he likes it. Mike liked this song too. Life is a Highway. Hey, I heat up some liver pate from yesterday, and I forgot how good this movie is. It's so fucking good. We're watching some Cars 2 now. The final movie we watched with Mike, actually on the day that it happened. It's a good movie though. Jason likes to just stay in and watch cartoons and just relax and play with dinosaur toys and stuff whenever I'm here. Usually he doesn't really do that a whole lot apparently. So it's good that he can relax fully and just watch a bunch of cartoons when I'm here. I do want to go outside with him, but he's just like, no, we're staying inside, we're chilling today. Jason hasn't seen this one before. I like these sorts of cartoons. Jamen, Wally han skynder sig at grave sig ned igen, fordi han blev bange for rumraketten. I love these sorts of cartoons where I have to explain it because they're mostly non-vocal. It's nice with days like this where you just sit inside and watch cartoons all day. Hvad tror du, hun leder efter? Ja?
Jeg tror, hun leder efter dæk.
Efter dæk? Nej, det er der jo lige der. Hun har jo lige kigget på de dæk.
Ja.
Hun skød næsten hans kakelak.
Ja.
Stakkels lille kakelak.
Den var stadig i live.
Ja, det var godt. Nå, hun kan godt lide den.
Ja.
Ligesom Wally, han kan også godt lide den. Hun er altså farlig, hun skyder bare.
Ja.
Who are you saying? Det er jo Wally, der er venner med kakelakken. Nu scanner hun ham.
Ja.
Hun kan se, om han var i live, tror jeg.
Ja.
Det var han ikke.
Jo.
Nej, han er jo en robot. Robotter, de er jo ikke i live på samme måde som os. I'm going through the painstaking job of putting these little golden strands through each of these things right here. And we're just watching the end of Wall-E at the same time. It's really nice. It's been a good day. Nacha's on our way home now.